Hello everyone, coming at you guys here with another video today. So today's video is actually going to be a little bit different, and we're actually going to be doing some lacquer touch-up paint on my Grabber Blue Mustang. So recently I ordered the Ford Motorcraft version of the lacquer touch-up paint, and my friend Judah with his black Mustang GT actually ordered a different brand. So we're going to be doing a comparison both between the colors, so the black and kind of the bright blue Grabber Blue, along with the two different brands, and we're going to kind of see how they get applied, kind of the different results that we get from each one, and whether you'll see kind of a greater difference between a darker color or a brighter color like my car. So we'll go ahead and get the car washed up and then see what kind of results we get. Alrighty guys, so we busted the kit open here. So you got the UA color code, so that's your black paint there. It does come with a sealant as well, so you put that on after you apply the paint. And then it does come with, looks like, a couple of towelettes and I believe a glove. So we're going to go ahead and just kind of follow the instructions on the box. So you'll want to clean and dry the surface. You can use some rubbing alcohol obviously for that. It does say to work in small 6-inch sections, so you just want to kind of apply a little bit at a time, and then you want to dab and kind of smear the paint over the area that you're working on. Alright guys, so we're just kind of finishing up last couple parts on the car. So Judah, out of like 1 to 10, what would you rate? What would you rate the paint correction there?
I'd rate it probably about a 7 or 8.
7 or 8.
I would
okay.
Say. Yeah.
I'd say about the same. I mean, especially for that price point. You know, $50 can't really go wrong.
Yeah.
On the ones that were kind of more of a white color, like a white chip, those ones pretty much disappeared.
Yep.
Whereas like the ones that were more clear, I think that's just going to kind of stay on there just because of, you know, the type of scratch it is. But yeah, I mean, definitely worth it for $50. So I'll have a second part to this video with the Ford Motorcraft version just to kind of compare and contrast. But yeah, pretty happy with it for the price. This is what the lacquer touch-up paint from Ford Motorcraft looks like. So it does cost about $15 to $20, and I'll go ahead and throw a link in the description for you guys below. And I just want to kind of go over a few areas on the car that we'll be touching up today. So we're going to go ahead and start with the paint peeling and bubbling on the hood. Many of you owners know most Fords, especially Mustangs around this generation, do have this issue. So we'll be touching up kind of those exposed aluminum bits that you see here. On the front bumper we do have this black spot here, so we'll kind of see if we get any sort of different results on that. And finally we do have a fairly large rock scratch on the side of the door, so we'll go ahead and touch this up as well and kind of see what kind of different results we get between the 3 different types of damage. Alrighty guys, so just finished cleaning up the car. So we're going to go ahead and start with the touch-up paint. So this is what that looks like. On the top here, you'll see that white tip. That's going to be to clear any sort of surface grime. Under that, you'll have a pressure point pen, so you can go ahead and use that to control how much paint you have coming, or you can actually open it up and you'll have an actual brush tip on the inside. And then on the bottom, you'll have the top coat layer, so that's what we'll be putting on after we apply the touch-up paint. Alrighty guys, and this is the final product. So from far away, you pretty much can't even tell that the car's been touched up. I'll go ahead and kind of get a little bit closer just so you guys can kind of see what it looks like from up close. So he touched up this spot here, this little spot here, got the front bumper spot here and here, and then the side of the car. If you guys recall, we had a pretty nasty scratch. So again, from far away, it's pretty hard to tell that it's been touched up. But if we get closer, this is the section that we touched up right over here. So gotta say, for the price point, I'm extremely happy with the product. The color matches, it's very easy to use, and it only takes about 10 or 15 minutes to complete. So. And that's going to go ahead and wrap up today's video, guys. So again, let me know what you guys thought in the comments below. Let me know if you guys would like to see more videos like these. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one.